Lemons add freshness and citrus brightness to any dish. And of course, you deserve a recipe full of lemon flavor. And of course, here at the Side Guy Cooks, we have the perfect recipe for you with lemon spaghetti with shrimp. So let's get started. Let's prepare the spaghetti. Let's cook the shrimp. Spaghetti as we know it likely originated in Sicily, introduced by Arab conquerors in the 8th century. Spaghetti became widely popular across Italy during the 19th century thanks to the rise of spaghetti factories that enable mass production. Now let's build the dish. Fresh lemon juice is always best. And the dish is ready. Let's get a portion on a plate. Garnish with grated Parmesan cheese. That looks really amazing. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, each bite of this lemon spaghetti with shrimp is a symphony of flavors. The freshness of the lemon, the tender shrimp, and of course the al dente spaghetti creates an incredible dish that everybody will enjoy. I'd like to hear from you. Please leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. This lemon spaghetti with shrimp is full of flavor. Stay with us. Watch the next video.